Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. Children, we are studying mensuration chapter. Today we are going to start the last exercise which is based on the circle. So see, I have written the formula here. Children, in a circle we know the circumference. Circumference means perimeter. Suppose this is the circle having the radius r. Then the perimeter, the length of the boundary of the circle is called circumference, and its formula is 2 pi r. And children, we know that the diameter of the circle is equal to radius plus radius. That means 2 times radius. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius. If I denote diameter by small d, then you can see that circumference will be equal to pi into diameter also, because 2 times radius is equal to diameter. So if radius is given, to find the circumference we will apply the formula 2 into pi into r, where value of pi is 22 by 7. If diameter is given and we have to find circumference, then directly diameter will be multiplied by pi. Pi means 22 by 7. Okay? Now, area of a circle is pi into r square, where r is the radius of the circle. But children, if there are two circles having the same radius but different, having the same center but different radius. If there are two circles having the same center but different radius, then these circles are called concentric circles. What are these called? Concentric circles. See this one. Concentric circles means the circles having the same center and different radius. So see here. In this case, the area enclosed by two circles is called the ring. So how to find the area of the ring? This portion, this covered portion is called ring. So to find the area of ring, you can see that from the larger circle, if we subtract the smaller circle, then we will get the area of the ring. Area of larger circle will be pi into capital R square. Area of a smaller circle will be pi into small r square. If we subtract it, then we will get the area of ring. Children, here you can see that pi is common in both. Then we will get pi into r square minus r square. So area of ring formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square, where capital R is the radius of large circle, small r is the radius of small circle. Okay, and what will be the width of the ring? See here, from larger radius, if we subtract the smaller radius, then we will get this portion. That means width of ring will be larger radius minus smaller radius. So these are the formulae which we will use in this exercise. Now see the question number 1. Find the area of a circle whose radius is 10.5 centimeter. See how easy it is. Radius is given 10.5 centimeter. Therefore, area will be pi into r square. So pi means 22 by 7. R square means 10.5 square. Now solve and get your answer. 10.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. You can see that this 7 can divide 10.5 by 1.5 times. 10.5 is divided by 7, then you will get 1.5. Now multiply all the numbers. 22 into 1.5 is 33. 33 into 10.5. See this one. It is coming 346.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Okay. Now see the question number 2. In a rectangular plot 70-meter long and 40-meter broad, a circular garden of radius 17.5 centimeter is developed. Find the cost of turfing the remaining portion. See children, suppose this is the rectangular plot. Its length is 70 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Inside it, suppose one circular garden is made which radius is 17.5. Now we have to find the cost of turfing the remaining portion. See children, this is the remaining portion. So what will be the area of remaining portion? First we will find the area of remaining portion and that will be multiplied by cost. Then we will get the cost of turfing the remaining portion. Understood? See how to do. Area of remaining portion is equal to, if you draw the diagram then very easily you can see that area of rectangle minus area of circle. Are you watching from the figure? In the rectangular plot, one circular garden has been made. Then we have to find the cost of turfing the remaining portion. And how will we find the remaining portion? Area of the rectangle minus area of the circle. Area of rectangle is 70 into 40 meter square, length into breadth. Area of circle is pi into radius square. Is this? Now solve and get your answer here. This is 2800 centimeter square minus when 7 divides 17.5, 2.5 is coming. Now 2800 minus 22 into 2.5, 55. 22 into 2.5, 55. When 55 is multiplied by 17.5, see? .9625, and after one digit there will be decimal. Now subtract and got the area of the remaining portion. So here area of remaining portion will be 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 17 minus 9 is 8 and this is 1. 1837.5 meter square. This is given in meter. Here everywhere the unit is meter. So we will write it. Okay children, everywhere change the unit meter. Okay. Understood how to find the area of remaining portion? After calculating, you are getting 1837.5 meter square. This is the area. So what will be the cost? Therefore, cost of turfing will be, the cost of 1 meter square is 28.5. So cost of 1837.5 will be, multiply and get your answer. $1,837.5 is multiplied by 28.5. See children, I have done the calculation in very hurry. You must check once more that calculation is correct or not. 52,368.75 rupees. Okay, you will multiply and you will check it. Okay, now see the question number 3. Method is understood or not for the second question? Area of remaining portion is equal to area of rectangle minus area of circle, and then that area will be multiplied with cost of 1 meter square. So we have got the cost of turfing. Now see the question number 3. Find the area of space enclosed by two concentric circles of radii 25 centimeter and 17 centimeter. So see children, suppose the larger radius is 25 centimeter and smaller radius is 17 centimeter. Again the figure is like this here. This capital R is 25, this small r is 17. Then what will be the area enclosed? Apply the formula for area of the ring and then calculate it. 22 by 7 into 25 square minus 17 square. So 22 by 7 into, see children, to solve it easily, 25 plus 17 and 25 minus 17. That is the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. So this is 42 and this is 8. 7 dividing 42 by 6 times. Now 8 into 6 is 48. 48 into 22. 48 into 22. 1056 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area enclosed by concentric circles. Okay, now note down these questions. Okay children, now see the question number 4. A path of width 3.5 meter runs all around a circular pool having an area of 962.5 meter square. Find the area of the path. See children, what is the question saying? Suppose this is the circular pool and its area is 96.25. Around it one path is made and this path width is 3.5 meter. Then we have to find the area of the path. Area of the path means we have to find the area of the ring. And we know that area of ring formula is pi into capital R square minus a small r square. So here area of circular park is given, area of circular pool is given. So if we take radius r, then we can find the radius of this pool. See this one. Let the radius of the pool be r meter. Therefore, pi into r square is equal to 962.5 meter square. Is this point clear? Area of circular pool is 962.5. So since it is a circular pool, if radius is r, then pi r square is this. Now put the value of pi. 22 by 7. Therefore, r square is equal to 962.5 into 7 upon 22. Now, 11 dividing 22 by 2 times. 11 into a is 88. 82. 11 7 then 0.5. 11 dividing 962.5 by 87.5 times. Now 2 is dividing it by 2 into 4 8, 2 into 3 6, 7 and then 5. 43.75. This is r square is equal to 43.75 into 7. If we break this number, see children, we are getting this. To find the r, we have to find the square root of this number. We know that to solve the square root, we have to make the pairs of the number. So we will break this number by 7 because 1 7 is present here. If this number is divisible by 7, then pair of 7 will be ready. This is the calculation trick, children. R is equal to 7 into 6, 42, 1 remainder, 7 into 2, 14 and 7 into 5. See this one. 43.75 can be broken into 6.25 into 7. Now, square root of 6.25 is 2.5 and here out of 2, 1 7 will come out. Okay. So 17.5 meter is the radius of the pool. If radius of the pool is this, then what will be the capital R? Capital R will be 17.5 plus width of the. Is this understood? When with small r, this width is added 3.5. Then that will be the capital R. This point you have to understand. After getting the radius of the pool, when width is added with it, we will get capital R. Now we can apply the formula and we can find the area of the path. Area of the path is equal to pi. Pi means 22 by 7. Capital R square minus small r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into, in one bracket 21 plus 7.5, in another bracket 21 minus 17.5, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 38.5 into 3.5. 7 is dividing 3.5 by 0.5 times. Now multiply and get your answer. 22 into 0.5 is 11. 11 into this. This is coming 42.35. Check once again. 22 into 0.5 is 11. Then it will be 423.5 meter square. Children, calculation once more you will check. But see the process. The important point is the method. Because calculation you can do 1, 2 or 3 times. But if you learn the method, then only you can solve the question. Okay. Now see the last question of the day. The area of a circular garden is 5,544 meters square. Outside this garden, see once again, if you draw the diagram, then this is the one circle. Its area is 5,544 meters square. And outside this, one path of uniform width is laid. See, uniform means everywhere the width is equal. The area of the path is 2002 meters square. Then we have to find the radius of the circular garden also and width of the path also. So see how to do. Let the radius of circular garden be r centimeter and width of the path be, suppose it is x meter, width of the path is x meter Therefore, what will be the capital R, children? This is small r plus x, because r is the radius of the circular garden and width of the path is x. So this small r plus capital X will be the capital R. Is this understood? After this assumption, now we will solve the question. See the first one. Pi r square will be equal to 5544 meter square. Because radius is small r, the area of the circular garden is 5544 and radius we have taken r. So pi r square is equal to this. Now pi means 22 by 7. So I hope you can calculate it. But see, I am doing for you. 11 dividing 22 by 2 times 11 5s are 55 and 11 4s are 44. Children, this mistake you will do. There are some children who does this mistake. When 11 dividing 5 times 55, then 4 is the remainder. Then you will take 0, then after next 4 is included. So when 11 divides 5544, you will get 504. Be careful for such type of calculation. Okay? And 2 dividing this by 252. 2 is dividing 504 by 252 times. So R is equal to, again, square root of this number. Now see, I have told you the technique. This 252 must be broken by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 6s are 42. See this one. In this way you can make your calculation easy. Once 7 is present, so next number must break by 7. Square root of 36 is 6 and out of 2, 7 is coming out. That means 42 meter. So radius of the circular garden is 42 meter. Now how will you find the second? Width of the path. How will you find the width of the path? So see children, we know that pi into capital R square minus R square will be equal to area of the path, because this path is looking like the ring. This path is looking like ring. So area of the path will be equal to area of the ring. Now put the values here and calculate it. First multiply it inside. Pi r square minus pi r square is equal to 2002. This r value we know. Here capital R can be written as small r plus x whole square. This is 5544. Okay children. Now pi into r square plus pi into a small r value we have got 42 plus x whole square is equal to, these two will be added, 426, 404, 505, 527, and value of pi also put here, 22 by 7. Then this 22 by 7 will be transferred that side. 42 plus x whole square is equal to 74546 into 7 upon 22. Again break this number. 11 dividing 22 by 2 times. 11 6 are 66. 11 8 are 88. 11 6 are this one. And 2 dividing this number by 343. Okay, so 42 plus x will be square root of 343 into 7. Again follow the same technique. 343 is broken by 7, then you will get 49 into 7. That means 42 plus x is equal to 7 into 7. So 42 plus x is 49. So x is equal to 7 meter. That means width of the path is 7 meter. Understood? Okay, now note down these questions. We will come back with more questions on the next turn. Bye bye.